Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a very easy way with the watercolor pencils. I hope it will be easy for you and I think everyone can do it. So at the beginning we need to start with a graphic pencil to draw the house, this small house or cottage, and the trees, and later on you will see how I'm going to start drawing with the watercolor pencils. Yeah, here we need some details. More details you do, it will be better. So now I started to do with the watercolor pencils. Let's imagine this is a kind of forest with a small cottage, and it's kind of evening in the early fall. So I'm trying to put some more colors. You can repeat the way I'm doing, and I hope it's easy to repeat it, and this way you will understand how to start drawing with watercolor pencils. Actually you can do same thing with just simple watercolor. But I prefer watercolor pencils. It's kind of better, I don't know, it's the colors and you can do more details. This is a tree with leaves and some branches. Some trees has already became yellow and some of them still green. Yeah, now I started to do with a brush. I choose this type of brush, but if you don't have this type of brush, you can choose any other brush. It has to be soft. Yeah, you can dry. Also, you need a napkin to dry the brush sometimes. Plenty of water. Sometimes you need plenty of water, sometimes you don't need. You have to feel. When you start drawing this kind of painting, you will understand yourself. So you see I'm tapping just with little bit, not so much water, and I'm just tapping. to show the leaves of the tree. And here I'm just painting, it's kind of dark there. I'm putting more blue and some black. And some work on the cottage. You can see what I'm doing and you can follow the same way. And I hope you will like it. So the good thing is with the color pencil, you can start after. When you finish with the brush, you can continue with color pencil as I'm doing these trees and branches. All the way I'm showing you can see. Yeah, when you continue with the pencil, you need to wait a little bit until the painting will dry, the water will dry, and then continue with the pencil again, and then you can continue with the brush. Like you have to see yourself. Now I'm going to continue with the brush again. See, I'm just tapping to make them more, you know, like natural or you can see now the painting is like trees, they are coming more to the first plan, and the house or cottage is going more to the second plan. Now I'm doing the kind of leaves on the trees. You see how I'm doing, right? It's easy, it's very easy. You can do it. Just watch how I'm doing and you do the same way. Even like that. And then a little bit cleaning with the brush on the sides. It's almost ready. Thank you for watching.